Well, this is one of those quick and easy ones that's so simple, I almost take it for granted. But since I make it all the time, I figured I should share it with you. And I'm talking about juicy chicken breasts in your air fryer. Very, very simple, and it's perfect for meal prep or just having the chicken all by itself. So let's get to it. First, just select boneless, skinless chicken breast, and these are not frozen. When you get your chicken breast out, if it's very uneven, you're going to want to pound the thicker side a little bit thinner, and I am not talking pound it to smithereens. I just mean to make it a little bit more even. Some chicken breasts you won't even need to do that, but don't keep pounding it because that actually will take all the juiciness out. Just make it even. My chicken breasts here are about 8 to 9 ounces. I think that is a perfect size, but you can certainly use bigger ones if that's what you have. Now, when you're pounding the chicken, I usually cover it with saran wrap. Usually I use a meat tenderizer on it, but I don't have one here because, as you probably know, we are touring the country in our Airstream. So I just grabbed the heaviest thing I could find, which was one of my sauce pots. So I just cover it with saran wrap and I pound it till it's relatively uniform in thickness with that. Then what I do, now this step is optional, but kind of not optional. I do a dry brine with just salt. You could also do a wet brine, but this is a dry brine. I sprinkle the outside of the chicken breast with salt, and then I let it sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. This will also ensure that the chicken is really juicy. If you're really pressed for time, you can skip that step. It just won't be quite as juicy. Now, once that's done, all we're gonna do is spice it up and put it in your air fryer. Now, I keep it really simple. I just use some paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. I do put a little bit of cayenne. You won't need to add more salt because of the brine. If you didn't brine it, add some more salt. Just give those spices a whisk until they are thoroughly combined. Now you want to liberally coat the chicken with the spices and be sure to coat both sides. Now I am doing this in my mini air fryer because again, we're in the Airstream and that's all I have room for. So I'm only doing 1 chicken breast, but you can certainly do 2 chicken breasts if you use a normal size air fryer. The link to the full recipe is below as always. While you're mixing the spices, you might want to preheat your air fryer if yours calls for preheating. Mine does not, but in all honesty, I do think it's better to preheat it for a couple of minutes. So all you're going to do is set it to 375 degrees for 10 minutes. You will flip the chicken halfway through. Just put that chicken in your air fryer basket and in it goes. Now you do want to flip the chicken about 6 minutes into it and then flip it over. And those of you who follow me know that I follow a clean eating diet, so this recipe is perfect when I need a little helping of protein. If you are interested in a clean eating diet, I do have a free handout. The link is below. It's a PDF of the 10 things you should eat and shouldn't eat if you are following an anti-inflammatory diet. So click the link and it will go right to your inbox. All right, it's done. Let's take a look. I do want to remind you guys that I have lots and lots of air fryer recipes. I do focus on food, fitness, and fun after 50, but if you are looking for more air fryer recipes, I invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then you will be alerted every time a new video comes out. Let's check it out. You know, this is so perfect. It's so easy, and I'm going to show you just how juicy it is. If you can see before I even cut it, the juice is already coming out. That's how juicy it is. You guys, you just have to look at that. You know, it used to be kind of hard to get chicken breast that's actually juicy. Not anymore with the air fryer. And seriously, it is perfectly cooked. Now, if you want more air fryer chicken recipes, I do have this one up here. It is air fryer chicken thighs, bone-in skin on. It's actually quite a popular recipe. So be sure to check that one out. And in the meantime, I'm going to take a taste of this. It's so juicy. I can't believe it. This chicken is perfect for meal prep. Chop it up, throw it in pasta, put it in a salad, put it in with some rice. You will have the easiest meal you've ever cooked. Thank you for joining me on the Spicy Apron, where I focus on food, fitness, and fun after 50. I will see you next time.